How to create a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Start off with a equilateral triangle, each side being a length of 2. Bisect this triangle. This creates a right triangle. We have a hypotenuse of 2. We have one of the legs is 1 because the original base is bisected. And using the Pythagorean theorem, we can determine that the unknown side length is going to be 2 squared minus 1 squared, or the square root of 3. All right. Since this started off as an equilateral triangle, each of these angles was 60 degrees. The only angle that remains at 60 is here. All right. The angle above was bisected, so now this angle is now 30 degrees. All right, and we have our 90-degree angle in the bottom left-hand corner. So now we can define our trigonometric function values. So with sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So if we're thinking of sine of 30 degrees, well, sine of 30 degrees, and let me separate this. Sine of 30 degrees is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine of 30 is adjacent, which is the adjacent side here, adjacent over hypotenuse. So square root of 3 over 2. All right. And we know with tangent of 30 is opposite over adjacent. So if opposite, that's 1 over the square root of 3. But when we rationalize the denominator, we get the square root of 3 over 3 for tangent. We can do the same thing for the 60-degree measure. So we have sine of 60 degrees. Sine of 60 is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine of 60 is going to be the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. And tangent of 60 is going to be opposite over adjacent. And that's how you use, or first off, that's how you create a 30, 60, 90 triangle in order to define trigonometric functions at either the 30-degree mark or the 60-degree mark.